I'm back, my lovelies. Hope you guys are doing well. I am doing Ensalada de Pulpo. You've come back for more steps, so I thank you for joining. I went ahead and I finished cutting all my octopus. So here it is. So it's nice and clean. I took off all the fat and some of the little suction uh, cups. I'm not sure what they're called on the tentacles, and cleaned it up. So, like I said before, I like to take the skin out. I don't like to eat it with the skin because it's a little slimy and it has fat to it. So I just clean it up, and this is the meat. So remember, I cook, depending on the size of your octopus, you should cook it between 30 to 45 minutes, not more than that. You know, uh, the bigger the octopus, then you add like 5 minutes. But these were small and medium size, so I cooked them 40 minutes. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut some cilantro. You know how I cut them. I take them off the stem and I just like the leaves. I find the stem is a bit bitter, and I just really like to have the leaves. I also went ahead and cut some olives, some Spanish olives, uh, with minced pimiento in it. So I sliced these up. I have fresh lemon juice here. We might not need to use all of this. I just squeezed enough out. You can have a glass of lemonade afterwards, whatever is left over. We have some uh, white vinegar. I diced some onions. Again, we may not use this whole little bowl. So what I did, and I also sliced up some green peppers. So I may need to add a little bit more, but this is good for now. Since we only have this much of an octopus, it's just really for me and my honey. We have that. So I left two things that I didn't do. I roasted some red peppers. All I did was slice them and put them in a pan to roast. And it gives it a nice smoky flavor. I like it like this. You don't have to roast your peppers. I like it. It gives it a nice smoky flavor to it. And I also have some plum tomatoes here. Now, I left these two things because I wanted to show you how I clean my roasted peppers. I have them here. So all I'm going to do is run it underneath some cold water to take some of the black and you could see under running water it comes off very easily. So we clean that off, and it comes off very quickly underneath the running water. And this is going to taste phenomenal. So again, we're making octopus salad, ensalada de pulpo, and basically the hardest thing about this is cooking and cleaning the pulpo. It takes 30 to 40 minutes to cook the octopus, and then all your ingredients are already at hand. So we're going to slice this up. We're going to dice this. And then, now I'll dice the roasted peppers in a bit. But I want to show you how I cut my plum tomatoes. Now, you can add in the whole tomato or add it in the way I do it. I don't like to put the seeds in because it's a bit juicy, and I don't like my octopus salad to have so much juice in it. So I'm gonna just slice off part of it, and then I'm gonna come around and just cut the tomato with the meat on it, just like this. Now again, you can add in the seeds if you want. I won't do that because it's just too juicy for me. So I'm going to add in 2 tomatoes. Just cut the bottom off. I have my little garbage bag here. And we're just gonna cut around it and only take the tomato with the meat. You see? And this is the seeds, which I won't put in. So I'm gonna dice that up, and I'm gonna come back and put it all together. I just wanted to show you those 2 steps. So stay tuned.